Hello friends, so in today's video I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Studio for live streaming on any device or in any platform. So now I'll open my YouTube channel. So we'll just open the YouTube and we'll go to this plus video symbol which you see over here. We'll click on go live. Okay, so then to it'll take you to this live streaming page. We need to use either our webcam or the stream option over here. If you are going to use the stream option, that is you need to stream from your device, then you will be needing to connect a streaming software to it. On my suggestion, I think that XSplit broadcast and OBS will be better. So now it will give the streams. This is the title bar. This is whether we want to make it viewed public, private, or unlisted. This is for adding description. This is the category in which you want to release it. This is the audience. It's not made for children, and the age restriction is it shouldn't restrict my video to viewers over 18 only. So it is to upload custom thumbnail. Now I'm just making it for the introduction, so I'm not going to upload any thumbnail. I'll just save it like this, and you see this, it will give a tutorial like this. You can see the stream settings over here. Okay, so in stream settings we have the stream key, that is the select stream key. This is the default stream key. This is known as a stream key. Okay, so there's a stream URL, backup server URL, stream latency. You see it is a delay between the what the camera captures and what is shown. Okay, so this is 360 degrees video, enable DVR. Okay, so now we are just in the basics, so these all won't come these all won't come in our topics. Now we are just going to see how to first start streaming. We'll go to the analytics. This is when you start streaming, you will be able to see the views every minute. There's a stream health, like is your streaming going on perfectly, or is the net slow, or has your streaming stopped, like that. Okay, so you see the stream key. We need to copy the stream key, and then we need to open OBS. Okay, oh, sorry. You see this is the OBS studio. Okay, so now we are going to open it. You see this is how it is going to open. This is the update. I'm going to do it afterwards. Now I have already entered my stream key, so it is there by default. Now I'll go to the settings, and you see over here there's the general, there's a stream settings, is the output settings, like the bitrate and the quality, the audio settings, is the video settings, hotkeys, that is if you want to stop streaming immediately just with a click on your computer, the shortcut keys. Okay, so this is the stream key. Okay, we need to enter our stream key over here. Now I'm going to backspace everything. First we need to select over here the service that we are going to use, the app. Is it Twitch, YouTube, Facebook Live, Restream, Twitter, or there are more options. Now I'm going to choose YouTube itself. Okay, so I'm going to take it as primary. The stream key, I'll just paste it, and I'll apply it. Okay, so you see over here, start recording, start streaming. If you start streaming, then you can check out over here near this loading symbol that we see what is there on the screen. Okay, so let's start streaming. Okay, so it will take some time. Let's wait. Okay, you see excellent connection and the stream has started. So this is how it's done. Now you see that it's like sharing my screen. You see that my screen is live over here. This is the screen in the video. It's going on live now. So this is how you stream on OBS. So for streaming on YouTube, you need a broadcaster such as OBS Studio. My suggestions would be OBS Studio, as it is free of cost and it's working well. So now I'm going to show you the next one, that is, if I click on start recording, then it will record the screen that I have shared. Okay, there's a virtual camera that it will add the camera as like what is shared on the screen will be taken as a camera. This is a studio mode, settings, and exit. If I click on exit, then everything will stop and the app will close completely. Now I'll stop streaming. Okay, you see that since we have stopped the OBS Studio streaming, so now it shows that there is no data and the stream will end. So if you want to end the live stream, then you need to click on this end stream over here on the right hand side on the top panel. Okay, so now we are going to end the stream. After ending the stream, it will show you if you want to edit it and publish, or you want to publish it directly. Now I'm going to publish it directly, and I'll just leave it like that. If you want, you can check out that video of live streaming. I'll put the editing link, the live streaming link in the description box, so check it out. And thank you. That's all for today's video. This is Shashank signing off.